Hello and welcome. Today we are reviewing the 1/18 scale BBI Elite Force AH-64D Longbow Apache helicopter. The real helicopter was used in combat in 1989 in Panama and then in Operation Desert Storm. The helicopter is highly detailed, as you would expect from BBI Elite Force. The helicopter has a main blade 4 rotor which spins freely with a bit of a wobble. It has a 4 blade tail rotor which is to the rear. Just here, 4 separate blades which spins reasonably freely. It also has the crew of 2 who sit in tandem, one behind the other. The helicopter has 2 T700 GE 701C turboshaft engines, one here and one on the other side. The Apache comes with an APG 78mm wave fire control radar, which is here, which is incorporated into the radar frequency interferometer for passive location and identification of radar emitting threats. This actually moves side to side, left and right, and also swivels down and up. There's also a lot of minute detailing which I'm not sure whether it will be picked up. I mean, it's just barely seeable here. You can see some sort of like make out some writing. Can't really read what it is because it's so minute. There's also some up, pardon me, some up here, and what looks to be a danger sign, I believe, here. There's also some writing, here, which is really hard to see, to the rear as well. Pardon me. You've got another, looks maybe like a danger sign. There's all sorts of nice riveting and sort of like scuff marks here. Detail is really exquisite. I'm not sure if the camera can actually hone in on it. Here we have some like rubber handlebars, I presume. These are actually used when the pilots have to climb in and out of the aircraft. There's actually 2 more here. These are actually made of a soft rubber, which is nice. So you can actually grip pilots can grip it. This is a peg for where the pilot would put his foot on. You also have the fire and forget radar guided AGM 114 Hellfire missiles, which are these here, these 4. So there's 8 in total, 4 on each side. These are really nice. Sorry. These are nice. You've got these Hydra 70mm and CRV7 70mm air to ground rockets here. These are really highly detailed. These actually can be removed. If you look closely, you might be able to see a hint of the actual rocket itself in blue, just painted in there. This is really nice as well. It's got these clips here which actually hook into the fin of the helicopter. It's got some like scuff marks there. No literature on it, so that's nice. You also got the Hellfire Rockets, which have got US Army printed on them. These can actually be removed. This one's a bit stiff. There you go. It's nice rockets. It's got the clear like lens on the front, which enables it to be guided. Looks like it's only printed on one side. So you get 4 of these, and they just click back in. These can be removed as well if you wanted to put any other armaments, if it did come with any. These just can be pried out. A bit difficult. There you go. So you get your pack of 4 there. You've got the clear light lenses. You've got your port side light here. You've got the starboard blue light on the other side. Lots of weathering, hatches for possibly the engine. Got another sort of like grab rail, could call it that, also made of rubber. Nice riveting on the sides, some sort of triangle, I think that designates to do with the army. Got some striping here. Got United States Army printed on the side. Lots of weathering. Now you've got your danger signs obviously for the rotor. Lots of weathering rivets there. Helicopter rolls really nicely. Here we can see the actual rear wheel. This is like made of a hard plastic, but it does actually rotate. You've got the rear fin or rudder, which doesn't move, but also has a really nice detailing on it. You've got the tail rotor, which rotates really well. It's also got some nice silver detailing, just behind there, which is nice. The main rotors have yellow tips, which you can see here, and on all the other 4, here, there, and there. The actual tyres on the front are also, they rotate, which is nice. And the other armament it has is the 30mm M230 chain gun, which is nice, which actually can rotate 180. Let's zoom into that a bit. So yeah, that can rotate 180 degrees. Can elevate, well, yeah, quite a bit, right to the top actually. Can descend. It also got some sort of like clicking mechanism where you can actually angle it at whatever angle you want to have it at, which is nice. So it doesn't just flop down. It can go all the way down now. It's also got like magazines. Which are the bullets here. Which is nice, the rounds. Magazine of rounds. It's got some nice detailing all around. The canopy opens for the gunner. You've got a door here which opens, revealing the gunner. Got the pilot, which is also opens, which is nice. And really nice detailing on the rotor mechanism. The APG-78mm wave fire control radar is also highly detailed with rivets and weathering. It actually rotates with the propeller, which is nice. There is lots of detail in the canopy. Let's have a look at the figures now. The figures are, I wouldn't say highly detailed, they're superior, i.e. better than highly detailed. They are just fantastic. These guys just blow me away, the amount of detail that they have on it. You can see all the weathering, all the camo on it, bits of, it's like even a bit of red, not too sure what it is, but you can even see the zips. It's like the zips on the thing, on the jacket, buckles, even the straps here. It's just super detail on it. It is just fantastically brilliant. I think this uniform must be the best that they've created. You can even see on the vest. It's just really, it's just really an exquisite figure. As usual, the helmets come off. Revealing your gunner, which is also highly detailed figure, which is really nice. And the helmets itself, they're just fantastic. It's got kind of like almost stealthy look to it. It's just totally brilliant. And you can just stand and stare at this. It's got like almost like rivets or whatever they are. Sort of like recesses for their ears. You've got the boom, which moves up and down. There. You've got the visor, nice black visor. You've even got there's a little gap here in the visor. If you can notice, that goes round and it goes up and then across. and that's actually for the monocle that they would have here. That should be a bit of glass actually. Just zoom into, oops, sorry. Zoom into that. You can actually see that this little piece here, this would have been the monocle. It's like a clear green glass, it should have been green. And this actually should actually be movable. So it would actually come in front of his eye, or the pilot's eye, whether it's male or female. So if we just put this on again, put that down there, you can actually see where his eye is. And that eye bit there is where that monocle would have come down and been there to help with the aiming and firing at the enemy. This is just such a decent sculpt. You've even got the little tab there which would make the visor go up and down. It's just mind-blowing how excellent this is. Usual points of articulation, heads move, sorry, let's take that off. You've got the too much light there for some reason. Oh, that's better. So the head would move left and right as normal. Shoulders move up, around. You've got this 45-degree angle thing that they're so sort of happy with. The wrists should move, yep, wrists move. Likewise with this one, up, swivel around. Got this bend. Oh, it's actually swivels bicep here, and bend at the elbow, or rotate at the elbow. Oh, that's got a swivel as well here. Then you've got the waist swivel. You've got the hip bend, 90 degrees at the knee. Boots move up and down, and they do rotate a little bit. Same like with this one. So yeah, really great. I think this is the best figure they brought out. And the best helmet. Even got the wire there, which I presume would connect into the cockpit. So that's just awesome. There you go. They definitely look the part, both of them. So let's have a look at how they would actually mount the helicopter, sorry. So, as I was saying previously, they would really hold on. I suppose he wouldn't have his helmet mounting. Whilst mounting, that would presumably that might be inside, maybe. But he would have you'd have him stand sort of like in that sort of position, and that would mostly be like that. So therefore, he would have. Oops, that's a bit of an angle wrong. He'd have his hand, one hand here. You can see that. Zoom into that. So let's just turn this a bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. So he would mount the helicopter with one hand in here, one foot on the peg here. Presumably you'd have to pull himself up somehow. Maybe try and reach up here. Like so. So you could actually have him, presumably, working his way up somehow. Something like that maybe. Maybe something like that, with his hands grasping at one of the sort of like bars there, and then you'd have him grasping at the second bar. Up here. And then you'd be able to, once he's managed to climb up, you'd be able to walk along here and then get into the aircraft. Sorry, didn't realise you couldn't see that then. Yeah, so they usually walk along this fuselage part. Along here, then they would enter the helicopter. So let's have a look at the actual cockpit interior itself. Hopefully you'll be able to see the exquisite detailing on this. You can see it's all like printed really nicely. That's that we're looking at the pilot instrumentation here. Let's see if we can just zoom in a bit more. Yeah, you can see it's like all printed. It's even got his joystick there and some more controls, more detailing, and the gunner's also got some nice detailing there. So it's just a fantastic model. Definitely worth picking up if you do find one. Yeah, just can't praise it enough, to be honest. It is just a really nice helicopter. The helicopter itself, in length for the fuselage, is 83 centimetres. The total length, including the rear rotor, tail rotor and the main rotor, gives you 98 centimetres. So that's almost a metre long. I've had to move where I actually do the reviews to this place because it's just so big. Just give you a 360 so you can actually see the whole helicopter itself. Not too sure what that is because on some reviews this is actually silver. For some reason mine's a blue. So that's really nice. I mean, even I've just noticed, pardon me, that even the seat detailing is really nice. Just trying to so you don't get too much glare. There you go. So if we just zoom into that, you can actually see seat belts from the rear pilot seat and the gunner's seat. lots of detailing. I mean, rivets galore on this. It's just untold. It's even got this little soft rubber thing, which might be to do with the landing gear. Not too sure. It's even got these black markings here, and the starboard light. Likewise, you've got the 4 Hellfires, and then you've got the rockets here. It's just a really awesome helicopter. Definitely the best, I would say, for BBI's range. It's so big that I can hardly get it in. But yeah, really nice. So, hope you've enjoyed the review. I hope I haven't missed anything out. If you do have any questions or anything that you think I've missed out, let me know, or if anything I've got wrong, which obviously, not being an expert on the real aircraft, is a possibility. But yeah, really nice helicopter. 2 really nice figures with the really nice, well, more than really nice figures. I believe one's actually taller than the other, so it actually adds a bit of variety. Yeah, so yeah, hope you enjoyed the review. Hope to bring some more reviews to you in the coming weeks. Like, subscribe and comment, good or bad. Always happy to hear from all you YouTubers. And take care. Thank you very much.